Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. We have a midweek video. We're at Walgreens, we're at Walmart, and we're also at Meijer, which is a grocery store in the Midwest. We have the really large P&G products for like $6-ish each, which is fantastic. If you guys could do me a huge favor and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. And if you have the hype button, consider pressing it. Again, it really helps out the video and the channel to ensure that this doesn't end up in a YouTube Siberia situation. So thank you so much in advance, guys. First piece of information that we have over at Walgreens, the Head & Shoulders Silky Smooth. For some of you, the register reward was printing. A lot of you, it wasn't. If you do not have a store where they are nice, they probably won't give you the $4 of Walgreens cash. You can always email Catalina or simply don't do the deal or simply return the items if you want to do that. If you did it with a booster, obviously you're going to lose your $10 back when you spent $40. But if you just want to ask the manager really nicely if it's tagged, especially if it's tagged, they should honor it. Also, we have a 6 off of 2 for the Maybelline. All the clearance makeup, it is not attaching. I tried 2 different scenarios yesterday. Nothing was working no matter what I did. So pass on that one, not working as well. These are all tested deals that are in fact working. We have the Tresemme color, which are the larger bottles. They're on clearance for $3.79. We have a 5 off 2 digital coupon. So you'll pay $2.48, get back a $4 register reward. It's very teeny tiny pictured there. It made it free plus a $1.42 moneymaker. You can do this once per store card. If your store has these shampoos on clearance, has to be the Tresemme colored. We also have the Head & Shoulders Clinical Strength on clearance in certain markets for $5.99. We have 2 $3 coupons, so that's 6 off. So you would pay $5.98, get back a $4 register reward, make sure it is tagged. And so it makes it $1.98 for 2 or 99 cents for a shampoo that's typically like what, $12? And this is a very nice shampoo if you are into the Head & Shoulders line. And let's not forget, while you're in the store, scurry around and try and find the $6.79 Batiste dry shampoo. We have a 3 off digital coupon, so it's going to make it $3.79 for the 2 on a buy one get one free, or $1.89 per dry shampoo, which is a very crazy price point for this product. Other meat and potato deals this week include this little gift set by Venus. Is $7.49. We have a $2 coupon, so it's going to make it $5.49. And inside there's also a $2 or a $3 paper coupon. So I would open it from the bottom, fish it out so you have it for your personal use in the future. It doesn't expire till next October, so I would do this deal. And another deal that I absolutely love is on these larger soft soap hand soaps. If you know, you know, this is a really good deal because this is a lot of soap. And I always have people asking for these all the time. $3 reward when you buy 2, plus we have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon. This is the one that you're going to have to load. I know a lot of you do like Christmas hampers with stockpile goods, like little like things for family and friends. This would make a perfect item to go into one of those. 2 of these for $11.98. Subtracting your digital coupon, you're going to pay $7.98. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $4.98 for the 2 or $2.49 for a massive thing of hand soap. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And I'm not doing a $40 basket for this one because a lot of this stuff is on clearance or harder to find. 88-cent Walgreens food storage bags. This is even a little bit cheaper than the 93 cents that we usually get it for when it's the buy one, get 2 for free. So I know a lot of you do a lot of baking for Christmas. So this would be absolutely ideal to pick it up for this price point because that is just like amazing. Other things I want to talk about before we get out of Walgreens land is a lot of clearance that's showing up. These dessert candles, they had a Christmas one. They had this caramel swirl cookie one, 90% off at $1.29. And this actually smells and looks exactly as it, for $1.29, you can't go wrong, especially if you want to gift this because it's really nice. Another little gift, say you wanted to throw 2 of these into a bag for somebody in your office. Pop sockets. I love pop sockets, especially the pop socket from the Pop Socket Company. It's a really good quality. from $12.99 to $1.29. I would look for these. I know there was a lot of cell phone cords and other products that were up to 90% off, and this is an accessory for a cell phone. Be on the lookout. This is fantastic. Okay, so now we're at Walmart, and this steal is a little bit different, but I'm going to walk you through it, and you guys are going to have to let me know in the comments down below if you're seeing this rebate still, because I already did it, so I can't see it, but I did this a couple days ago. These secret whole body sprays are $4 each. You're going to find them in the travel section, and you're going to pick up 2 of them for exactly $8. Now, you're going to open up your Walmart app. You need an account for this, obviously, and you are going to claim the Walmart cash, which is a 7-back when you buy 2. So make sure that you have that activated before you go to checkout, or this will not work for you. And you would just simply apply for the Walmart cash. The final price point, $8 subtracted from 7. It's $1 for 2 or 50 cents per. The front page of your Walmart app, number 1, you would see that box with all the squiggly lines, and it's in the parentheses. You would hit that first. And then number 2, see where it says type in your barcode? You would just tap that with your finger. And then number 3, see where it says barcode? On your receipt, you can type in that big long line, the TC number, whatever it is. Type it in, and then it will retrieve that $7 rebate when you buy 2 of those. And it's pretty instant, if not very quick. For those of you that don't know how to use Walmart cash, you just accrue it, and then you can use it on future deals. The final store that we have is Meijer, which is a grocery store, Midwest only, no sister store. This is what we're grabbing for our basket: a massive Gain detergent, a 42 counter of the Tide Pods, and a triple pack of the Downy dryer sheets. Now, this morning, as we have a new week starting today over at Meijer, we got a 10 off of a $40 purchase. Load this because this is a magical coupon to use. So basically, you're getting $10 off of a 40, which is like unheard of. Now, for our basket, load these high value coupons. That's a 5 off of 1 for the Tide Pods, a $3 off for the Downy Calm, and then the $4 off for that massive liquid. I'm going with the larger products just to have in my stockpile instead of grabbing like all these little itty bitty items. I just think that if you were going to gift this, it would fill up a basket really quickly. Hopefully you're following what I'm saying. And then I'm just going to jog you through like everything, what it looks like. What I encourage you to do in store is to open up your shop and scan the 3 items, and then to see how the math is balancing out to make sure that you're grabbing the right cents and that we're on the same page of savings, and that the digital coupons and the 10 off 40 are in fact coming off. So I know sometimes that's a bit tricky, but shop and scan is definitely the way to go with the Meijer app. They've certainly changed things around where their app isn't, running on Alta Vista anymore. It's like a high-powered, high-protein app, and I'm loving that. And then I always go with these scent-free Tides because this is the one that we use in our household. And then just to show you the overall total for this magic, it is, I've gone way past the $40 mark, $44.97. And then I have, between the promotions, the specials, and my coupons, the new total is $19.97, not including tax. And if you might have some Meijer cash that you want to throw in, some bottle returns, or that 10 off coupon when you spent $100 last week, you can throw those in. Unfortunately, I don't have that this week, but what I do have on one of my accounts, my husband's, is 5,000 points when I use the shop and scan once. So I'm going to get $5 back simply for doing this transaction using shop and scan. You might want to check if you might have this in your MPerks account as well. Because this is absolutely fantastic. That's it for this video. Go get those deals, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.